on a big canvas with acrylic paint. The painting of Frida Kahlo, our all favorite painter. Hope you'll enjoy the painting, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Today my portrait on Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo, born on July 6, 1907, Mexico, died July 13, 1954. Mexican painter best known for her uncompromising and brilliantly colored self-portraits that deal with such themes as identity, the human body, and death. Although she denied the connection, she is often identified as a surrealist in addition to her work. If you decide to create a large canvas painting, here are some tips that might be useful for you, from zero experience to first experience. Tip 1. At first you may be scared of the large canvas you bought because you do not have any experience. You must start somewhere to get this experience. Tip 2. For a large canvas portrait, you will need a model. You will need a person or photo, a sketch, pencil, big and small brushes, paints, kitchen towels, and a lot of experience. Tip 3. If you don't have enough time to paint a portrait with a model sitting in front of you in your studio, you will need to find a photo of the person you would like to paint. If you decide to make a portrait from the photo you like and do not want to copy the photo. Tip 4. Sketch the portrait on a piece of paper at first. Decide which colors you want to use and then start to sketch the portrait on a large color toned grounded canvas with a sketch pencil. If you do not know how and where to begin, drawing a grid may help you to put everything in the right place. With more and more experience, will you no longer need a grid. Tip 5. Start by painting with the darkest colors first and then make the shadows next. Tip 6. Step back from the painting every few minutes and compare the painting and the photo. If you have a real model, compare the portrait with the model's face. You will need a lot of space in your room or studio to create a large painting. You will not see any mistake if you only observe the painting up close, so you need to step a few feet back to see anything that needs to be touched up. Tip 7. If you see any difference, you can always improve your painting. You just need a lot of patience, and it can sometimes take several weeks or months to make a good large portrait. Tip 8. When you think you are finished, listen to the critics. If you can turn negative critics like "this is not even close to Clint Eastwood" into positive energy and continue working on the large painting for a few more weeks, then you are a winner. Tip 9. Be yourself. Do your own thing. Stop comparing yourself with other artists. Somehow, we all need to find our own style. Try to bring a part of your soul into every painting you do. Tip 10. Work hard, stay positive, and you will be happy. Thank you for visiting my art channel.